Hi everyone, good afternoon. So here am I doing my part 2 of my tour of the Botanical Garden, June 7th, 2022. Let's go. Okay. So at the back there is said to be the 7 ponds and the mausoleum that held the tomb of one of the former president of Guyana, and the 7 pond is at the back there. I don't want to go to the back there because it seems to be quite bushy at this time, and so for my own safety it's better, and being that I'm alone right now, it's better that I stay in the safe zone. But I'm gonna show you as the camera can capture everything. And here it is, nice. Listen to the sound of the water. You can't go wrong with that. Just enjoy it. Don't take your senses for granted, people. Enjoy it. Look at the back of me. I'm giving you a 360-degree view. Like I said, it's better to vlog this way. That way I don't disturb people, they don't disturb me, and you know, people don't want to show off a third wheel in case they come to the gardens. Haha, you know. I'm gonna take a walk this way a bit. You're gonna see the scenery behind of me. Look at this. I just love nature. I love nature. So we're not allowed there, actually. It's not permitted for anyone to go there. Okay, there's a sign there. I just love nature. The flowers. Look at that beautiful flower. So beautiful. It's tiny, but it's beautiful. I grew up seeing a lot of these here. I don't know what's the name of them. I'm not a botanist, but I just love the flowers. Oh, that's so pretty. The white one. So beautiful, people. Oh, look at that tree. Oh, I can take a walk here. It's a bit muddy. Oh, underneath here is so cool. Let's see what's underneath here. Oh wow, it's like a canopy. Oh, very romantic. Oh, look up there, guys. Very romantic to picnic underneath here. Ah, beautiful. I want to show you a kiss kitty. He's hanging out all by himself. Maybe he's a bit of a loner like me. Look, he's right behind me. Can you see him? Look, guys, he's right there. And one of the things a lot of people don't know, they actually do sell plants here sometimes. And I have bought several plants here some time ago. I have bought plants here. So they do sell plants. And I want to show you something. This is a nice way of converting your old wheelbarrow, you know, but unfortunately there is overgrown weeds inside of them. This one look nice. Yeah. So let's go. There are lots of plants. Some are a bit wild. And because of this time of the year, like I said, it's the rainy season here in Guyana. May, June and July, it's the rainy season here in Guyana. You can get flood and so on. And there's the fountain again. So I love nature and I love to come here too. So I'm gonna be walking back to my car. This is